What's up guys, it's Matt from TDM Style here, and welcome back to the channel for another hair product review. And this week, we're here to talk about the latest volume shampoo and conditioner set from Steven the Salon Guy. So if you guys remember, I got to test out the shampoo of this set quite a while ago. I'll link that video up here in the card for you if you'd like to watch that. But we didn't get to talk a whole lot about the product because, you know, that was an earlier formulation and we knew some things were changing. So the scent has changed, the color's changed, they removed some silicones and other things. So we're going to talk about all of that today. We've got the full-size versions now, which are available for sale, and I do have the shampoo and the conditioner. Minor disclaimer though, I somehow managed to break the pump on my conditioner bottle.
How could this happen to me? I made my mistakes.
So now I'm dealing with this kind of janky ass one from Sally's that like doesn't, it almost fits, but it doesn't quite, so it doesn't go all the way down, so it looks kind of silly, but whatever, it doesn't matter. The product inside is what we're here to talk about. All right, so the volume shampoo and conditioner are meant to actually just moisturize and really nourish your hair, as well as build in some big volume. And these are coming in at $24.99 a piece, or you can get the set of both of them for $45.99. All right, so taking a look at the packaging first, you can see that these come in these white plastic bottles. Now these are the kind of industry standard size, so it's 8.45 fluid ounces or 250 milliliters. And they have these pump tops and they stick on labeling around the side. Now on the front of each label, we have a bunch of these symbols on the bottom here. So we have 100% vegan, cruelty-free, organic ingredients, sulfate and paraben-free, gluten-free, and then right underneath the name, it says silicone-free volumizing shampoo and volumizing conditioner on this one. All right, up next, one of my personal, very favorite categories of scent. Oh, fuck. Now, this is something we didn't get to talk about last time because like I mentioned, the one that I had a tester of was a previous formulation, had a very different scent, had a very different color to it. So the scent on these final versions is this just really nice kind of light French vanilla scent almost. Oh my god, it smells so good. It's very unisex, so great for men or women. It's not too in your face, it's not too strong, but it just, oh, it smells so good. And of course, same scent on both the shampoo and the conditioner. All right, now let's talk about the ingredients. So as I mentioned a minute ago, these are gluten-free, sulfate-free, paraben-free, silicone-free. They're 100% vegan. They've got organic ingredients in there. So some of the main drivers that are what's going to actually be doing the conditioning and the volumizing, we have things like rice protein, and that's one of those things that's really going to help extend the hair shaft and build in some big volume to your hair and create this kind of thickening effect. Now in the shampoo, we also have some botanical type ingredients that are in there to just create a very conditioning effect. So we have things like jojoba esters, we've got ginseng extract, nettle extract, Waratah extract. Now looking at the conditioner, we also have that rice protein in there, so again, more volumizing. And as far as the actual conditioning agents that we have in there, we have lots of goodies. We've got argan oil, we've got panthenol, which is provitamin B5, which is just fucking amazing for your hair. That's just like instant repairing, like silky smooth agent. Then we also have olive oil, avocado oil, almond oil. So just, yeah, lots of goodies that are gonna be very good for your hair and your scalp. Now, there is something that we need to mention here because, you know, these are silicone free, but Steven did tell me that they ran into a bit of a glitch on the manufacturing side. So the current, if you have a current batch of this, the ingredients on the labels are incorrect. So what happened was the manufacturer accidentally printed an ingredients list from a previous formula that still had the silicones in it before they removed those for this current formulation. So I will have the correct ingredients list in the description box down below for you. And of course, Steven and his team are working very hard to get that sorted out so that they'll get the correct labels printed for the next batch. All right, now let's move right into demo footage. So I am starting out with hair that, of course, has some product buildup in it. So we're gonna wet that down first and then go in with the shampoo. So massaging that into the scalp, I can tell you that you can feel it right away, like breaking up the products and giving you a nice clean. It has a nice amount of lather to it. And you know, even being sulfate free, it does produce a nice amount of lather, which is just, I don't know, just feels really like silky smooth. Then we're gonna rinse that out and of course then go in with the conditioner here. So once you've applied the conditioner, you wanna let that sit for about 30 seconds or so, or if you want like a really deep condition, you can leave it in longer, of course. Now after rinsing that out, you can see already, so this is my natural hair, and now running a comb through it, there's just instantly no tangles. There's no knots or anything. It's super smooth to comb through. It doesn't feel dry at all. Like I've used some other volumizing sets and they just make my hair feel like fucking straw. And that's not the case here. I mean, I've got no other pre-stylers or smoothers or anything in here. It's just the shampoo and the conditioner that have done the work. So now we're gonna go in, blow dry that bitch, and here is the final result, and look at that. I mean, obviously big volume. Even my hair is getting long now. It's like over 6 inches long and I can still get this kind of Johnny Bravo quiff going. And just look at that natural shine. I mean, my hair looks and feels like actual silk. I mean, it's honestly like, it's ridiculous. It just feels so soft, so conditioned and healthy and bouncy and lightweight. It's just really amazing. So now I've gone in with a bit of a kind of natural shine product that I'm testing out just for the final style, and I think we're looking pretty snatched right now. All right, so overall thoughts on the volume set. Yeah, Steven's done it again. This is unbelievable stuff. It cleans super well, but it conditions even better somehow, and at the same time as creating that kind of thickening, volumizing effect that, you know, a lot of people want. And you know, as I mentioned before, I've used other volumizing shampoos and most of the time they make my hair feel so dry, and so you need to layer in like just an insane amount of conditioner to even bring it back to like somewhere close to normal. That's not the case here. I mean, the shampoo alone doesn't have that effect, and then adding the conditioner on top of that, it's like coming home from the salon every time you get out of the shower. It's honestly like a wonderful experience. Now, I know people are gonna ask me if I prefer this or the Pure set, and that's a great question because they're both really good. Yeah, I mean, they both clean really well, moisturize really well. Obviously this one, as the name implies, this builds in more volume than the Pure set. So I don't really have a great answer. I like them both. I keep both of the sets in my shower and I alternate. I have some other shampoos and conditioners and oil cleansers and things that I kind of go through my rotation, if you will. But yeah, the Pure and the volume set are definitely kind of staples in there. And yeah, I don't really understand the whole thing of like why everybody's so afraid of silicones these days. That's like the latest buzz ingredient that people are like, you don't want silicones in your shit. You know, yeah, certain silicones can create buildup in the hair over time because they do kind of wrap the hair strand or whatever. But there are also a lot of water-soluble ones that wash away after that. So personally, I don't really care about silicones, but there ain't any in this. And actually, Steven also told me that they're currently reformulating the Pure set as well to strip the silicones out of that. So the next batch of the Pure set will also be silicone free, so you'll have that option for, you know, either set. Now, I was originally going to do a video on the Fleek spray this weekend, but I had a lot of questions about the volume set, so I thought it would be good to do that one first. And I do still want to give this its own kind of proper video because this is a really amazing product too, but it is kind of niche. It's not something that, you know, everybody might want or need, but I think it deserves some screen time because it really helps a lot for my hair. It's, you know, instant kind of repair spray, so it does definitely come in handy for folks like me who have, you know, a naturally kind of coarse, wavy hair type, or one that's been damaged in some way, or, you know, something like that. So with that, that does it for this week's video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed this and found it helpful. Please stay tuned. Got tons of stuff coming up as usual. I'm still working on getting through my massive backlog of products that I need to review. I have, like, honestly so many. So looking forward to all of that. If you haven't already, please do hit that subscribe button down below to keep up to date with all that. And as always, thank you guys so much for coming by and watching. And we'll see you at the next one.